each company just dropped RunnerH, with which you can automate pretty much anything. Now, for those of you who do not know about H Company, H is an AI research lab and product company, and they're working so that agents are deployed as naturally as code or software solutions by everyone. And to be quite honest, their products are really, really amazing. So today we're going to be testing out their RunnerH product, which is an automation tool through which we can automate pretty much all of our daily tasks with the help of a simple prompt. So you see we have a discover section where we can see different prompts or different workflows that we can just tap on and replay. We have a section for files where we can add our own storage files, and we get 1 gigabyte for free storage in the free tier, and we have connections to all these applications. I have already connected my Google Docs, Calendar, Drive, and Gmail. And you can go ahead and connect your Notions API or Slack, whatever you want to. So without further ado, let's get started with the testing. Hi and welcome back to SkillCurb. This is your host Shamrez, and we're finally getting started with the testing of RunnerH. So first off, I want to talk about the interface. So we have a prompt box, and here you can see an option, how much involved do you want to be in the loop. So if you want to give all the permissions yourself manually, you can go with highly involved, or you can go fully automated if you want everything to be done for you. And I would really want to try out this fully automated one. So I'm going to go ahead and select automated. And for the first prompt, I'm going to go with this prompt here where I can log in new AI productivity tools into my sheet. But before that, I have to connect my Google Sheet. For that, let's go to the connections tab, and here I can just click on Google Sheet. I consent to the data collection and connect with Google Sheet. That's how simple it is. And once you connect with your Google Sheets, you will see this enabled right here. Now we can go back to Discover, and here I can just go ahead and replay this, and RunnerH is going to replay the same prompt. And you can see that it is searching for new AI productivity tools. It found 4 relevant articles. Now it's creating a Google spreadsheet named AI Market Watch Q2, and now it's collecting the headline, positioning sentence, pricing model, and URL for each tool. So it's doing pretty much everything for me, scraping the website, creating the sheets, and adding the data to the sheet. Really, really amazing. And you can see it gave us an output in recent AI productivity tools compilation answer.pdf, which means I can pretty much download this by clicking here. And if I open this up, you can see we have different AI tools here. So Motion AI, we have the URL for Motion AI. We have the headline, positioning sentence, and a pricing model. So its pricing varies. We have a freemium pricing plan here, and contact for pricing, freemium here again, and freemium here again. So that was something amazing. We did all of it without having to go to Google, switch tabs, and search ourselves manually. It did everything for us. So now for the second test, we're gonna go to the internet and find all the companies in the United States that raised funding in the past 7 days. We're gonna create a Google Sheet titled US Funded Startups, and then we're gonna list each company's name, funding round, amount, date, and link to their profile. And the agent is going to share the Google Sheet with me when it's done. And I have given my email address here as well. It's going to be fully automated, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit run. So let's check out the results, and I'm really looking forward to this one here. So it gathered the information. Now it's creating a Google Sheet. So the file is created. Now it's populating the Google Sheet with company details like name, funding round, amount, date, and link. And now that it has populated the Google Sheet, it's going to share the sheet with me. So there you go. I have the spreadsheet shared with me, US funded startups this week, and it was just shared with me right now. I can open this up, and there you go. It has Anthropic, Series F. It raised an amount of $450 million on June 1st, 2025. And here's the profile link. Now, this was only one company because we did not specify how many companies we want in the prompt. And we might have to work on the prompt to get things done. But I hope you understand the power of RunnerH and how much it can automate for you. And with that said, let's go to the third and final test that we're going to do with RunnerH. Now for the last test, I'm going to go really in depth with this. And I want to try out a really cool prompt here. So I'm planning a vacation to Paris, find top 5 places to visit in Paris. It's going to give me the titles, location, opening hours, and brief description of it, and email all the details to me. Once it's done with that, it's going to schedule everything to my Google Calendar. Starting June 11th, I will be in Paris and everything is going to be automated. So let's get started with the run here. I'm really looking forward to this one. It will power boost your productivity to a whole new level, which means you do not have to go to different websites to look for vacation spots. You do not have to go ahead and schedule your calendar. You don't have to go ahead and collect the information manually. It can do everything for you. Now it's searching the top 5 places to visit in Paris using a web search. And once it's done with scraping the web page, it's going to create a Google Sheet to store the information. And once it's done with that, it's going to share the information with me. So there you go. It's creating a Google Sheet and storing the information. Now it's populating the Google Sheet with information about the top 5 places. Just going to go ahead and update the cells here. So 24 cells in sheet 1 are updated. Then it's going to send the Google Sheet via email to the user, which is me. And once I get that, I will be showing you my email right here. And now scheduling my Google Calendar. So in the meantime, let's open up Calendar as well. So there you go. We have the top 5 places to visit in Paris. Here's the attachment. Let's open this up. So we have the titles like Eiffel Tower here. We have the locations, the opening hours, and the description about these attraction points. So here's a short description. This is really, really cool. I have a Google Sheet, a list of really organized data here, which I can use in my trip. So you can see on the 11th of June 2025, it has set up a schedule for me to visit Eiffel Tower, and it's going to be between 3 to 6, considering the opening hours of Eiffel Tower as well as my availability. If I go to 12th, we're going to visit this museum. I do not know how to pronounce this. That's why I don't want to embarrass myself. And on 13th, you can see we're going to visit this cathedral, and you can see we have the location address here as well. This is really, really cool how we can go ahead and schedule things for ourselves, research them, organize the information, and send that information to ourselves. And these are just a few use cases that I've shown you. You can go ahead and scan your Gmail inbox, get your most important 10 emails, and that way save your time. We have the RunnerH here as well. This is a computer use, just like Claude computer use or any other computer use. And it's going to open up a browser in front of you and start working on it. This is a completely separate tool, and we're going to be creating a video on that as well. And do let me know in the comments below if you really want a video on RunnerH as well. I will be more than happy to make one. With that said, I want to wrap this video up. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button. Share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Ring the notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.